I guess I need to put my seatbelt on. Happy Vlogmas Day 9.
You ever saw it, you would even say it glow.
Y'all, I've been trying to keep up with these vlogs. Extra hard, per usual. Seems like my day just goes. And then, you know, sometimes you feel like some stuff is just not even worth recording, but we are doing a Walmart pickup real quick. Usually I do full blown groceries in the Walmart pickup area. It don't make me no never mind. If I need 1,000 items, y'all ain't put no limit on pickup. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 1,000 items if that's what I need. But yeah, I just did a total of 26 items. Yeah, I think it's just a total of 26 items for me, which came out to a total of $141 and some cents. It's not too cold today. It's not as cold as it was yesterday. But my goal today is to get my hair washed. I have this wig on, this clip-on wig. Y'all can see my gray is out in the front. But I just kind of threw this on today. I think it's a human hair wig. I don't even know where I got this wig from. I think Her Given Hair. I think it'll be linked. We sitting here waiting, and I have to tell my toddler not to cry when the strangers come and give us our groceries. She's going through a phase right now, and I'm not sure why, but I've been praying about it, and I trust that she'll get through it. So it's just a random. You can never figure out like a pattern. It's not the fact that they're strangers. My daughter just has her pics with people, so you can present her with 4 strangers. She's not going to be afraid of all of them. So, because I just kind of leave it at that with people, like, oh, what's wrong with her? And I just say, stranger anxiety, stranger danger. And I just leave it at that. She's not afraid of everybody. So, I just don't bother to even explain it. But, I need to see, Lowe's just emailed me. I need to see what that's about. Y'all don't know I'm a Lowe's partner. I'm gonna tell y'all who I'm partnered with right now. So if y'all ever shop there, please let me know or check my storefront. The items that you're ordering from these places don't even have to be on my storefront. You just click my storefront. It'll open up an app. For example, Lowe's. It'll open up the Lowe's app. If you click on my storefront, it'll open up the Lowe's app, right? And okay, then you say, you know what, I'm gonna go to the search bar and get what I need. It's still gonna give me credit for that because it's the fact that you clicked on my link. You started out on my storefront, which is still the Lowe's app, and you migrate to another part of the Lowe's app and buy stuff, I still get credit. Same with Amazon, same with Target, same with Walmart. Y'all don't forget me. You feeling generous, all you gotta do is you could shop off of my storefront, or you could just click on my storefront and then migrate to another part of whichever store app that you're on, and I'll still get credit. So there's Target, Lowe's, Amazon, who else? Walmart, Sam's Club too. Sam's Club is a little harder to get commission on because not a lot of people do pickup orders. They go into Sam's Club and shop. So everything needs to be ordered online, whether you're doing a pickup order or getting it shipped to your house or whatever, right? Delivery, whatever. So yeah. Okay, y'all, the hardest part about pickup orders is you still gotta take the stuff out the car when you get home. That's my thing. So, gotta count everything up. So we got smash burgers, my favorite. These are really good, y'all. They frozen, but you only, you know, cook them 4 minutes on each side and they done, thoroughly done. So we got these. That's 1, 2. This is my baby's favorite pasta, the blackened chicken Alfredo frozen pasta by Zetterings. A staple in the house, real quick to cook. And we get the chicken nuggets to put in the air fryer. There's 3 items. Of course, her favorite oat milk, Chobani, extra creamy. My baby's favorite vegetables. This is the bird's eye pepper jack cheese. And we got some Kobe jack cheese. 8, 9, 10. We got some Simply lemonade, which I'm gonna make my medicine ball with. 11. We got some fries that I put in the air fryer. Shoestring. 12. We got some little leaf lettuce. We got 2 organic English cucumbers. These are the organic ones. I like these. We have a French press. Yay. If you watched my last vlog, you see why I bought this. Go check it out. We got some little Sammy Jannies for my baby. 2 kinds. She loves these. We have some ground coffee, Cafe Bustelo for my French press. We have some country peach passion to make my medicine ball with. We have my favorite little croissant bread that I make sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches out of. We have some neck bones. Yay. We got chicken broth. Got 3 containers of that. I always keep chicken broth on deck. We have coconut water, just 1. It's not my top pick, but I like the taste of it. It's the pineapple coconut water. What else? Oh, and a case of water, which is over there. Got a case of water right there. Okay, so we finally got our French press. Even like I had someone suggest, like with the Keurig, oh, you just have to clean it out every day, like you said. Just rinse it every day. But that water that's sitting in internal parts of the machine, who's to say that that's completely like emptied out? Who says that that's what's going on? Now, Nespresso, the fact that they even have that as an option on the phone to completely shoot all of the water out of the machine in case you're not going to be using it for long periods of time, that means they thought their whole technology all the way through. Which I'm pretty sure this is going to be good. But this is my first time ever using a French press. And it is glass. If you're watching this video and you see the hype button, if you made it this far, look down underneath my video. If you see the word hype this video, click it. It's free for you to click it. Click it, it'll boost my video for me. Please and thank you. Oh, see, look at the little scooper. How cute is that? Okay, this is my electric kettle here that I just used. The water is actually still hot. And there's the coffee. We're letting it steep for about 3 minutes. I only did like an 8 ounce. So I don't know how this is gonna taste. This is my first time using one. So I did wash the containers and stuff out. But we got 50 more seconds. And it's a little late in the day to be drinking coffee. I made tea this morning that I have not drunk yet, actually herbal tea. But we're supposed to drink it room temperature, so I had just made it before I went to do my pickup. My tea. This one is so yummy to me, y'all. Okay, we are done. So now we do the best part. I'm gonna get a cup. Whoa. I don't see any coffee grinds. It's smooth. It look like it's 8 ounces. Whoa. Let's see if it's smooth. Woo. That's it, y'all. That is it. Whoa. Let me show y'all. That's all of the ground coffee at the bottom that you gotta scoop out. Look at it. But that's the coffee. Yay. About to wash my hair. I've been getting it trimmed. Trying to get all of the, I got black dye on the ends. I've been trying to get all of that trimmed off. It's like my growth is at a standstill because I've been getting it trimmed. Or I trim it on my own too. I feel like now it needs to be trimmed on the ends. Definitely needs to be trimmed.
As they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.